There's a lot going on. Weather-wise, it's honestly, it's been really nice.
Today was beautiful.
It was. We actually made it into the mid 60s today. So ended up with a high of 66 degrees, but we are tracking a few cold fronts in the forecast. So the normal today is 59, but we made it to 66. We started out at 37. The record high today, 81. We were nowhere near that. And of course, we were once again rain free, but there is some rain eventually in the forecast. Right now, certainly not the case. It's still beautiful outside. We still have temperatures in the mid 60s and it's a little breezy. That wind being out of the south right now at 17 miles an hour, helping to push those temperatures to above normal today. We're at 68 in Decatur, 67 in Denton, 63 though in Canton, 61 right now in Athens. You can see on satellite and radar, we do have some clouds moving in from the north, but a lot of what I'm seeing on our cameras, these are just those high thin cirrus clouds. So overnight tonight, I think we stay mostly clear. But here comes the next cold front. This cold front will be moving in sometime early tomorrow morning, but this is going to be a very weak cold front. So this cold front will bring in a north wind. It's going to be dry cold front, but it will bring temperatures down maybe a couple of degrees, not by a whole lot. I think we still stay in the 60s. In fact, it looks like we stay in the 60s all week long. We've got another cold front moving in sometime on Friday. Right now, though, it looks like it's going to be another weak cold front. Not much of a temperature drop, and we're also expecting a very temporary north wind. However, we're tracking a third cold front. This one looks a little bit more significant. This one should come in sometime late day Saturday. So on Saturday, temperatures as of right now should still be in the 60s, but the cold front comes in. It comes through. At this point, it looks dry. It's been trending that there could be a chance of rain late Saturday evening, Saturday night, but the latest data, it pretty much takes all that away. So for now, we took the rain chances out, but on Sunday, temperatures will be coming back down. So we're going to be dropping below normal by the end of the weekend. It doesn't last very long. We stay in the 50s for a couple of days, but we've got this next storm system coming in. It looks like early next week. And as of right now, that puts those rain chances back in the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. So there are rain chances in the forecast, but it's several days away. So we'll have to fine tune it. We'll see if it actually sticks. Tonight, we're looking dry. It's going to be a little chilly. We're dropping down into the low to mid 40s, and then tomorrow afternoon, low 60s for most of us, the normal being in the upper 50s. So I think we stay above normal despite the cold front coming in tomorrow morning. We're going to stay in the 60s for Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday, but that next cold front, that's going to be the stronger one on Saturday. So we're dropping down into the low 50s by the end of the weekend and staying in the low 50s, it looks like, for a couple of days after that. But as far as these rain chances for the next several days, wouldn't count on much. That next chance, it stays low, and it's not even until next Tuesday. So for tonight, clear, chilly, dry. We drop into the low 40s. Tomorrow afternoon, mostly sunny and seasonally cool. 14-day forecast showing we stay in the 60s for a while. 50s return by Sunday. Early next week, we're still going to be in the 50s, but that's also when that next chance of rain returns. And then by about midweek, 60s return, and they stay around for a while. But the weather pattern is just trending pretty quiet.